Exposing the secret of earning money online without showing your face. It's easier than you think with AI tools. You heard that right. AI tools are changing the game, letting you earn from the comfort of your home without ever stepping in front of a camera. Imagine this. You could be writing blog posts, designing stunning graphics, editing videos, or even running entire social media campaigns, all with the help of artificial intelligence. And guess what? These tools are completely free to use. Let's talk about some of the heavy hitters. Need to write a killer article? Try AI writing assistants like ChatGPT. Want to create eye-catching designs? Dive into Canva's AI features. Video editing more your style? Hit up tools like Lumen 5 that automate the process for you. And that's just the beginning. Automation tools like Zapier can streamline your workflow, making you more efficient and freeing up time to focus on what you love. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly so you can start earning money online today. Download the full list from TechTrek by Moiz. Link in bio. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Happy earning!